Welcome, today in front of me TCL 205, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So let's open the box, and this is the USB cable, the headphones. So we can see that the headphones, they comes with a 3.5mm part. So here we just on our device also have this part to use the headphones, so we just shouldn't use here any adapters, and just device comes without this adapter. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.